Hey guys, welcome to the second video in my Python series. In the last video, we have installed Python and Spider IDE. In this video, we are gonna talk about Python syntax and the arithmetic operator of Python. So, let's get started. As you learn Python, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, unlike SQL, Python is case sensitive, meaning these two words mean two different things. Second, spacing matter in Python. It's called the offside rule. It's a common way of reading scooping from indentation, which can be confusing at first but really nice and clean when you get the hang of it. Third, error does not make you a bad programmer. It's just the computer telling you that you don't understand. Use the error message to help you to write the code that can be interpreted the way you wish. Now, let's open our IDE to start our first example of code. Let's say you want to compute 5 plus 5. If you run this line of code, you would not see the result of this operation. However, Python still adds 5 plus 5. But we didn't tell Python to do anything with the computed data. Print is a useful built-in function in Python that can be used to display our results. All we have to do is type print followed by parentheses around whatever we want printed. Now you'll see the output results. In this line of code, we compute the sum of 5 plus 5. The plus sign is an arithmetic operator. Python has several arithmetic operators, most of which follow the usual rules of mathematics. Let's look at the first four. In Python, addition and subtraction are performed with the usual symbols, plus and minus. Multiplication uses an asterisk, and division uses a forward slash. Here you can see the multiplication happen before addition. This is because Python follows mathematical order of operation. If you want addition to come first, you can include this part in parentheses. Let's move on from those four. Here is the operator for exponentiation. You can raise one number to the power of another with two asterisks. For example, this line prints 3 to the power of 2, which results in 9. Another useful operator is the percent sign, which performs the modulo operation. It returns the remainder after you divided the first number by the second. For example, 7 modulo of 2 is 1. Also, you might find use for integer division, denoted by two forward slashes. It divides one integer by another, but rather than giving the exact answer, it rounds down the answer to an integer. For example, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, which rounds down to 4. So, this is all for our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, enjoy Python.